So, Grayson, how do you feel about your life so far?
It sucks. Let me tell you what. It sucks a lot. Everything just sucks. Look at my shirt. It sucks. Smiles suck. Poop sucks. Everything sucks. What's the next question?
Why does everything suck, Grayson?
Because it just does. Next question.
So, what do you like to do for fun, Grayson?
I like to poop. I like to eat, pee, sleep, cry. All the usual things. Mostly cry and pee. Eating's good too, though. Next question.
Introducing the Backflip. Facebook, Twitter, text, and more. Streaming.
So, what are you doing tonight?
Tonight?
You want to hang out?
No, I got plans. Probably gonna go pick up some chicks. You know, go clubbing and stuff. I'm all prepared. What are you doing tonight?